Ay, I'm very tired of dealing with those type of people. I think I need some rest. Ay, I'm going to have some sleep for now. Good morning, Sir Zaki. Do you know why are you here?
What are you talking about? You're the one who called me here.
Oh yes, you're here because these consultations are part of the Yakubian building programs for its residents.
Yeah. Just do it. Don't waste my time.
Well, if you insist, please touch my hand and we will start.
Yo, Bay, come over to my place. Yeah. We're just going to make some fun. You know me? Yeah. Alright, see you.
Okay.
Whoa. Stop this. Are you gay?
Good. You are diagnosed with chronic nostalgia disorder and emotional avoidance. Your trigger is a decay of aristocratic Egypt and modern corruption.
I just touched your hand. This is insane. I am not crazy. I'm out of here, just wasting my time.
Well, if you insist, Sir Zaki, you can go on. Hi. It's hard to deal with those type of people. Good morning, Sir Rasid. Or shall I call you Miss Rasid?
No, what are you talking about?
Forget it. Do you know why are you here?
Yes, well, based on your experience, you look like a doctor.
Well, yes. I'm your psychiatrist, provided by the Yakubian building.
Can't we start?
Well, yes. Just touch my hand and we can begin.
I can't do this anymore. No one can help me. I'm just going to be undisgraced.
Well, this is quite serious one.
How do you say so?
Well, my diagnosis is you suffer from repressed identity syndrome, chronic guilt and isolation.
What? What are you talking about?
And your trigger is loss of partner and internal shame.
You're not fooling me. This is insane. I'm going to sue you.
No. You're the one that is insane.
I'm going out. This is just a waste of time.
Action.
Good morning, sir. Can I have your name?
Yes, I'm Welt Nokian Bertanen. You are Taha El Shasil, right?
Yes.
Do you know why are you here?
Sorry, sir. But why do you call me here?
Well, you're here because I heard you have some problems and you are full of stress. And this is free.
If you say so, I feel quiet stress.
Yes, I understand.
No, do you can understand?
I can understand if you want me to lend a hand.
I did not pass the exam.
Quite disappointing. You're diagnosed with identity breakdown, extremism as self-empowerment and anger issue. And your trigger was institutional humiliation in truths.
What are you talking about?
I will get angry too if I don't pass the exam.
No, I passed the exam.
Well, you don't.
I passed the exam. I passed the exam. I'll show you.
Yeah, you passed the exam.
See? I passed the exam.
Oh, good morning to our dear saleswoman. Such a good daughter.
Oh, you flattered me. Should I take it as compliment?
Do you know why are you here?
I hope so. Why don't you tell me?
If possible, can you lend me your hand?
For what?
To start, of course.
I don't want to.
Then open your hand in front of me.
I'm so sorry, sir. I will do it better next time. Oh, this is not enough.
I diagnose you with suppressed trauma and adaptive dissociation. Your trigger is death of your father, forced into unethical survival. Whoa, it's quite disturbing. Why don't you just quit your job?
Because I can't. But how do you know?
Forget it. You can leave now.
Tell me.
Because I know. Nah, in the same cheek, it hurts, you know. What am I doing here? Oh, right, I'm supposed to go to my office. Hi. What the? Nah. Such a lucky day for me. Hi.